Did you know that at age 20, Benjamin Franklin cracked the code to building character that modern science is just now proving? Franklin discovered something shocking. Trying to improve everything at once was a recipe for failure, so he created a revolutionary system. He picked 13 virtues like temperance, silence, order, and humility. Then he made a simple chart with days of the week across the top and virtues down the side. Here's the genius part. He focused on just one virtue per week. Every time he failed at that virtue, he marked a dot on his chart. His goal? A clean row with no dots. Franklin carried a small notebook everywhere to track his progress. At the end of each week, he'd evaluate himself and move to the next virtue. The results were incredible. By focusing on one area at a time, he created lasting change that shaped him into one of history's greatest minds. This 300-year-old method anticipated everything we know about habit formation today. One virtue, one week, one dot at a time. Sometimes the oldest wisdom is the most powerful.